Hello, I'm Scott Brady from Overland Journal and Expedition Portal, and I am here in Southwest Australia, very remote campsite. We've been having this amazing adventure across the Great Australian Bight, and we're testing quite a few products. And a couple of those products that we're testing are from a company called REDARC. They're famous in Australia for their durability and reliability. They're known for innovation. They don't tend to fail in the field. And electronics, as we have all learned, has become the bane of those of us who like to travel remotely. When I was in the factory, one of the things that I remember noticing was how every single one of these pieces of electronics was potted when appropriate. And that potting process helps protect a lot of those circuits from damage and high vibration, dust, heat. This particular Hilux has a model called a BCDC, and this is intended primarily to provide power to your house batteries. So the house battery is the thing that we use to charge our refrigerator, to charge our laptops, to use auxiliary lights when we're in camp, that we want to keep separated from our starting battery. We always want to try to reserve the starting battery for just starting the vehicle. We want to isolate as many of those systems to the house battery as possible. So this BCDC is critical for that. It does have an aluminum heat sink that helps it dissipate heat as it's taking the alternator current in or the solar current in and sending it to that house battery. And it does it all automatically. And this particular unit can be set to work specifically with a lithium-ion house battery. So you can also use an AGM, you can use a standard lead acid, you can use a couple different battery types, and it adapts for all of those. And it also can work with modern vehicles that have variable voltage alternators. One of the things I like about it is the overall package is very small, the fact that it all happens behind the scenes, the fact that it's so durable and reliable. But then you can also integrate some gauges as well to be able to monitor the progress of the system on the inside. So far, these systems have worked very well. We have a BCDC on the 76 series Land Cruiser, we have a BCDC on this Hilux, and then we have a Manager 30 in the 79. I've used these vehicles extensively throughout Australia, and I've not experienced any failures. So off to a great start.